So in case you subscribe to somebody's channel and they didn't return the favor, this is how you are going to catch them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stella here.
Open your browser and go to YouTube Studio if you are using a mobile phone. Then you click on login. Once you are in the YouTube Studio, see the actual list of people who have subscribed. Go to recent subscribers, typically found in your channel's dashboard. Your channel's dashboard is the first page that comes up when you open the studio. When you click on see on, it shows you everybody that subscribed to your channel in the last 90 days, in the last 365 days, in the last 20 days. You just have to select the part you want to see. And by this side, you can see the actions here of all the people that subscribe to my channel and the dates they subscribe. This opportunity to say thank you to everyone that have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate you. You can use the arrow below to take you to the next page so you can see more people that have subscribed to your channel. And if you are using a laptop, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already signed in and click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're in the YouTube Studio, scroll down to see the actual list of people who have subscribed. The same as the mobile phone, you go to recent subscribers, which is typically found in your channel's dashboard. Click on see all. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section if there is any video you want me to talk about. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. In the last 90 days, this channel has only one subscriber, so I had to take it to 365 days so you can see the activities that have gone on in the last one. To go as far as checking your subscribers since the day you started your YouTube channel, you can just click on lifetime and it shows you all your subscribers. So I just hope this video has answered a lot of questions in a lot of growing YouTubers mind and has helped you to know who has subscribed and who have unsubscribed from your channel.
You also, if you link your email, you also get notifications of who subscribed to your channel. But the thing is that your email won't tell you when this particular person unsubscribed. But I believe now you know how to check when they subscribe and when they have unsubscribed from your channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.